Hi, it's Sue here from MakerBiz Graphics, and I want to talk to you today about 5 reasons why I think you should be using Canva if you are a small business owner doing all your own social media content. So, reason number 1. Canva is free. It is amazing what you get in the free account, so it's well worth signing up for. And there's also a paid version which is called Canva Pro that has a few more features than the free version. But jump on to the website and take a look, and you can see which one suits you best for your business. So the second reason that it's great to use Canva is there are lots of preset templates for your posts. So you can just type in the one you're searching for. So we're just looking for a Pinterest post here. You just click on a blank template and that will just open up and you're ready to start designing. And another way to do it is actually from the home page. You just you'll see a whole row of different size templates depending on what you're looking for there, and just pick the one you want. So say Instagram, click on that and that will just open for you straight away, ready to start designing. The third reason for using Canva to DIY your social media content is because it's very easy to create your designs. You can head over to this side panel and you can actually pick something that works for your business and your branding. You just simply click on one of the templates and that's going to open directly into your design, and you can make changes from there if you need to. Another way that you can create graphics is to actually buy templates that have been created by another designer. So for instance, let's say with a Pinterest pin, you would be able to just drop in your own images. So there's a whole range of photos that you can choose from, stock photos, and different elements that you can choose from. And obviously you can change your font and add your text and add your own brand colors to those templates. And then thirdly, once you have a bit more confidence and you're ready to start creating yourself, you can use something like, this is actually from one of our clipboard templates. So this is a range of images that we've created where you can actually add your own text. So very easy to use. You just drop in a text box, add your own font and colors, and then you can just type in whatever message you need. So that's pretty handy. And alternatively, you can start creating your own once you've got your graphic design skills. You can easily add text and drop in graphics. So for instance, I'll just show you on this one. So you'd upload your images here and you would just pick the one that you want to use and then click and drag to move it, and you can resize according to what you need. And you can change your colors really easily depending on your brand colors and get something that you're really happy with, that's going to tie in nicely for your own branding. Canva is that it's easy to batch content, and by that I mean you can create a whole range of posts that say are all of a similar category. So let's say you've got quotes and you have already set up a template, and you can use that over and over again by just copying it, duplicate that, and then it's ready to go. And then you can just add the text of the new quote, and then it's ready for when you need it. So you've got them all in one place, and that's really handy and a quick tip for keeping things together. Just make sure that when you do that you save them under a name that you can, you know how to search and find it, but just use something quite obvious, and then you can keep going back to it. You can add to it whenever you need to, and you've got your quotes there ready to post to Instagram whenever you need them. And finally, the 5th reason for using Canva is the amazing range of stock images that they have that you can choose from. So when you just come onto your home page, if you just come up to the features tab and then come across to free photos, that will open up a search bar that you can then just type in what you're looking for. Let's say you create ceramics. We'll just type that in, and that's going to bring up all the images related to ceramics available to you in the stock images. Depending on which account you're using, the free account, or if you're signed up to Canva Pro, then you can also choose from the premium images. But if you're just on the free account, there's still an incredible range to choose from, and that's really helpful when you're creating your social media graphics and you're looking for something that ties in nicely with your branding. Thank you for watching. I hope that you've found these reasons to use Canva for your small business helpful, and that you've maybe picked up a few tips within the different points there to help you with your small business and creating your social media content. If you are looking for ideas, or if you get stuck for ideas for what to post, I've just added here, there's a free download that you can grab. I'll put the details just below, so you can just click on that and download my How to Brainstorm 70 plus post ideas for your socials. So jump onto that, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please click the thumbs up button, subscribe, and click the bell button so you get notified of new tutorials like this in the future. You can also visit my website at makeabizgraphics.com and follow me on Instagram at makeabizgraphics. I'd love to see you there. If you'd like to share your design, just tag me and use the hashtag #mymakeabizgraphics. I can't wait to see what you create.